When you think of Jamaica, what red flag comes to mind? Please write it in the comments down below. When you think of the USA, what red flag comes to mind? Now, what if you thought of Mexico? How about France? Now, keep those red flags in mind if you did it privately, and if you wrote it in the comment section, then thank you for playing along. Now, I want you to look at these statistics that I'm going to post here. It's the number of gun-related deaths in the US, Mexico, Nigeria, France, Jamaica, and the United Kingdom in 2019. It's the most recent public comparison that was available. Stereotypes are widely held fixed images or ideas of a particular person, place, or thing. Unfortunately, for many Jamaicans, home and abroad, they think that Jamaica is too dangerous in which to live, to the point that they think I'm sugarcoating Jamaica's safety. Well, here you have it, some hard facts.